Let me show you how to download WhatsApp on your iPhone Air. So to do it, we have to actually go in the App Store. So this is what the icon looks like of the app where you can download more applications. If you don't see it, you can simply swipe like this till you land on the app library and see you have it over here. You can also pull this up and open it up. Then you see you have the search on the bottom here, and we would simply enter WhatsApp here. Okay, so you see, if you click over here, you can see more details and click this cloud thing over here. And simply let's wait for the WhatsApp to download. Okay, and see you can also open it up and basically click agree. And yeah, basically you have to enter your phone number to set it up. And basically the WhatsApp actually gets placed somewhere on your home screen. To move around the icon, you simply press and hold any blank space. Then you see, for example, you can move it to different page here as well if you want to. Also, do we have the business WhatsApp as well? Okay, so yep, we have WhatsApp business here as well. So essentially, if maybe you want to run two WhatsApp accounts at the same time, so you can download this and use the second one as obviously a business account, and then you can essentially run two WhatsApp accounts on the device. Good luck.